Guys, on the latest episode of Umkhokha the case, Umthembu received and welcomed Nokbonga with warm hearts. This is after Umanzimande announced that one of the Mthembu brothers will have to marry her. So, to find out where all of this is leading to, then keep on watching this video. For a very long time, the writers of the show have been trying to create an emotional relationship and friendship between Nokbonga and Umabusi. These two were always there for each other. Umabusi even helped Nokbonga to get through her pain of not having children, and she also helped her to get her home back. Guys, I won't lie. At first, I really didn't like the plot. I thought that it was too emotional and lacked direction. I'd always applaud Umkhokha for the ability of fast-tracking plots. Even with this one, I thought it was going to take a very long time running, but it was so fast and well executed by both actors. And I'm noticing that this is now starting to make sense. Guys, I think Sphamandla and Umkhokha writers are trying to give us what is called the right or perfectist team. I'll tell you why in just a second. Most of you guys won't like this, but I think Ukhulegane would never take his team. He is too weak for it. Besides, Unomkhosi will never allow that to happen. Nanoguti, that polygamy would lack drama that is required in any team, so Ukhulegane taking his team will never assist the show in any way. And on the other hand, Nomafu Nokbonga and Sphamandla would make the greatest Tembu ever. Remember guys, that when Nokbonga was reintroduced on the season, that was done via Umabusi, so it can only make sense if anything that is to happen will happen via Umabusi. So I believe that Nokbonga will be taken by Sphamandla as his second wife. And you guys will remember that Sphamandla rejected Usbahl, which makes me think that was a build-up for this next marriage. So guys, earlier on this video, I said to you, Umkhokha writers are planning on giving us the perfectist Tembu. I was saying this because Umabusi and Nokbonga are currently the best of friends. I mean, there is trust in their relationship, there is love, and I'm sure that Nokbonga will forever be grateful towards Umabusi for helping her to get her home back. So when, okay, let's use the word if. So if Sphamandla takes Nokbonga, I think it will be easy for Umabusi since it's someone that she knows and trusts. And in that case, they'll create a love triangle that we as fans will come to love the way we're loving Umabusi and Sphamandla's recent relationship. Not unless the old Nokbonga will come back, because this all can take a very sharp curve very fast. If you remember the old Nokbonga, she was backstepping and untrustworthy, so it's possible that after becoming Sphamandla's wife, she's gonna go back to her old ways. But then guys, these are just my thoughts. I'm not saying this is what is going to happen on Umkhokha. I am just predicting as a fan of Umkhokha, so you are also allowed to share your thoughts and opinions on the comment section. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, and even on TikTok. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.